Have you ever felt like your dreams were too far away? Like success was something only for lucky people, born in the right place with the right talent and the right opportunities? This is the story of a man who started from nothing. No money, no special skills, and no one to help him. But what he had was something most people overlook: the courage to take one small step every single day. His name was Daniel. He lived in a small town where people worked hard but dreamed small. Every morning, he walked the same dusty road to a tiny workshop where he repaired old shoes. His hands were rough, his clothes were simple, and his life seemed ordinary. Yet inside him lived an extraordinary dream. Daniel wanted to build something bigger, something that would change his life and maybe even help others. But he didn't know where to start. One evening, after closing his shop, he sat outside and watched the sunset. The orange light reflected on the dusty road, and for a moment, everything was quiet. He thought about how slow his life felt, how far away success seemed. He whispered to himself, "Maybe I'll never get there." That's when an old man, a traveler who often passed through the town, stopped by and smiled. He looked at Daniel and said, "Why so sad, young man?" Daniel sighed and replied, "I have dreams, but they're too big for someone like me." The old man nodded slowly and said something that Daniel would never forget. "Do you know how a mountain is climbed?" Daniel frowned. "One step at a time, I guess." The old man smiled. "Exactly. One small step, every day. That's how you reach the top." That night, Daniel couldn't sleep. The words kept echoing in his mind. One small step. He realized he didn't need to change his life overnight. He just needed to move, slowly but surely. The next morning, he woke up earlier than usual. He looked at his workshop, dusty and quiet, and decided to clean it completely. It took hours, but by the afternoon, the place looked new. That was his first small step. The next day, he took another step. He learned how to polish shoes better by watching a tutorial on a small phone someone had sold him. Then he practiced on old shoes until his hands hurt. Each day brought a new step, a new skill, a new improvement, a new piece of knowledge. At first, no one noticed. Customers came and went. Life looked the same. But deep inside, something had changed. Daniel was no longer standing still. He was moving forward. Weeks turned into months. Daniel saved a little money. He used it to buy better tools and brighter paint for his shop. Slowly, the dull workshop turned into a colorful, welcoming space. The walls were clean, the floor shined, and even the sign outside had new life. People started talking. "Have you seen Daniel's shop?" one woman said. "It looks beautiful," another replied. And little by little, more people came. Daniel didn't do anything grand. He didn't make big promises. He just kept taking small steps, day after day. One day, a businessman from the nearby city visited the town. His shoes were worn out, and he needed a quick repair. He walked into Daniel's shop. While Daniel worked silently, the man watched closely. The careful movements, the attention to detail, the patience. When Daniel finished, the shoes looked brand new. The businessman was impressed. "You have talent," he said. "Would you like to work in my company's repair section in the city?" Daniel smiled politely and shook his head. "Thank you, sir, but I'm building something of my own." The man was surprised. "You mean this little shop?" Daniel nodded. "Yes, it's small, but it's growing, one step at a time." The businessman smiled. "Then I'll help you. People like you are rare." A week later, Daniel received a package. It was full of high-quality leather, polish, and stitching tools. A note was attached. "Keep taking small steps. That message became Daniel's mantra. He worked harder than ever. He taught himself how to design shoes, not just repair them. He learned about marketing, customer service, and business. He didn't rush. He just added a new step to his journey every day. Years passed. Daniel's tiny shop grew into a small company, then into a brand. And one day, it became a name people recognized across the country. He was invited to speak at an event for young entrepreneurs. Standing on stage, dressed neatly, his voice calm and confident, he looked at the audience and said, "Everyone wants to succeed fast. Everyone wants the result, but not the road. I started with nothing but an old bench and broken shoes. I didn't change my life in one day. I changed it by taking one small step every day for years. The power of small steps is real. It turns ordinary people into extraordinary ones. It builds dreams brick by brick." The audience clapped loudly, but Daniel didn't smile out of pride. He smiled out of gratitude, because he knew every little moment, every tiny effort had led him here. Let's pause for a second and look at his journey. Daniel's story isn't about luck or talent. It's about patience. It's about believing that progress doesn't need to be loud or fast. It just needs to be consistent. Think about it. A seed doesn't become a tree overnight. A drop of water doesn't make a river instantly. But with time, step by step, it grows, it flows, it becomes something powerful. The same rule applies to your life. You don't need to do everything today. You don't need to reach the top tomorrow. All you need is the courage to start and the discipline to continue. There's a quote Daniel once read on a piece of paper pinned to his wall. "Great things are done by a series of small things brought together." He looked at it every morning before he began work. When his hands were tired, when business was slow, when doubt whispered in his mind, he reminded himself, just one more step. And that's what made all the difference. Because small steps don't only build success, they build character. They teach you resilience. They remind you that even if life moves slowly, you are still moving. Years later, Daniel's company became one of the largest shoe brands in the country. But he still worked like that same young man from the small town, humble, patient, grateful. When reporters asked him, "What's the secret behind your success?" he smiled and said softly, "There's no secret, only steps." Now imagine this for yourself. Whatever your dream is, learning English, building a business, improving your health, becoming confident, it all begins with one small step. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to begin. Read one page today. Learn one new word. Exercise for 5 minutes. Speak a few sentences out loud. Tomorrow, do it again. And again and again. At first, it may feel like nothing is changing. But one day, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Because small steps have invisible power. They multiply over time. Every day you show up, even when you don't see results, you're building something strong inside yourself. You're building discipline. You're building faith. You're building your future. Daniel's story is a reminder that no dream is too big and no beginning is too small. He didn't wait for the perfect moment. He made the moment perfect by starting where he was. And that's the lesson life keeps teaching us again and again. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for luck. Don't wait for someone to push you. Take the step yourself, because progress is quiet. Growth is slow, but small steps, taken with heart, will lead you exactly where you're meant to be. So, whenever you feel lost, whenever you doubt yourself, remember Daniel's dusty little shop. Remember the old man's words, and whisper to yourself, "One small step. That's all I need today." And when you wake up tomorrow, take another one.